Hello students, let us go through one more sum based on graphical method. Solve the following simultaneous equations graphically, and the equations given are 3x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 2. Let us start with the first equation, that is 3x plus y is equal to 10. We need to shift one of the variables to the other side, and it is always better to shift the bigger coefficient variable to the other side, and here it is x, right? So we get y is equal to 10 minus 3x. So once you get it in the form of y is equal to something, let's draw the table. The table is x, y, x comma y. Now because x is in the RHS, let us assume the values 0, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3, 4, the choice is yours. Here we did not assume 0 because if x becomes 0, then y is equal to 10. Now y is equal to 10 may or may not come on the graph paper. It's a little dicey. Y is equal to 10 would be the topmost point. That's why we have just taken it as 1, 2, 3, 4 to be on the safer side. Right? So such adjustments are fine. Either 0, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3, 4. That choice is absolutely yours. Right? Now, once we assume the values of x, let us substitute these values of x in the equation and get the corresponding values of y. So let's do it. When x is equal to 1, let's see the calculations. Y is equal to 10 minus 3 into 1. We get y is equal to 10 minus 3 and we get y is equal to 7. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7 and the point is 1 comma 7. Easy. Let's move on to the second one. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 10 minus 3 into 2. Y is equal to 10 minus 6. You get y is equal to 4 and you get a point 2 comma 4. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 10 minus 3 into 3, y is equal to 10 minus 9, we get y is equal to 1 and the point is 3 comma 1. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 10 minus 3 into 4, y is equal to 10 minus 12 and y is equal to 10 minus 12 is minus 2, right? So y is equal to minus 2 and we get a point 4 comma minus 2. Let's see the second equation. It's relatively simpler. X minus y is equal to 2. Let's shift y to the other side. You get x is equal to 2 plus y. Let's draw the table x, y, x comma y. Let us assume the values of y because it is in the right hand side. You can either assume 0, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you are comfortable with, right? If you assume 0, 1, 2, 3 as y because y is in the right hand side, now substitute y is equal to 0, you get x is equal to 2 plus 0, that's 2. Y is equal to 1, you get x is equal to 3. Y is equal to 2, you get x is equal to 4. And y is equal to 3, you get x is equal to 5. You get both the tables. Let's draw the graph. In the graph, let's first plot the first table points, right? The first table, first point is 1 comma 7, which will be in the first quadrant. 1 comma 7 as you all can see, 2 comma 4 again in the first quadrant, 3 comma 1 again in the first quadrant, 4 comma minus 2 in the fourth quadrant. Join them, don't forget to write the equation on it, right, as you all can see. Now let's move on to the second table. The first point is 2 comma 0 because the y coordinate is 0, the point will be on the x axis, right. 3 comma 1 in the first quadrant, 4 comma 2 in the first quadrant, 5 comma 3 in the first quadrant. Points are collinear, join them, don't forget to write the equation on it. Both the lines are ready, just check the point of intersection. The point of intersection is very clearly 3 comma 1, and because the point of intersection is 3 comma 1, on the main answer sheet below the table just write the final answer that the solution of the given simultaneous equations is x comma y, which is equal to 3 comma 1. As simple as that.